Big Chris here, and I just wanted to do a quick little short video and show you how you can change your standard car lights into LED lights and improve the interior look of your car. Now it doesn't matter what car you've got. Obviously if you've got a new car, it might already have LED lights, but if you haven't, you've got the normal lights, then you can do this upgrade, and it literally takes like 5 minutes of your time. So if you look here, these are how the normal lights look. So they're normal yellowy sort of lights. And obviously, apart from just the look, you're also, it's also a lot brighter. So this is the pack of LEDs that I bought from eBay for £10, really cheap. And all you need is a flathead screwdriver and a piece of cardboard if you haven't got one of them plastic tools. So I'm just going to use like a flathead piece here and a piece of cardboard. So what I do, I will literally prop that on it like that. So first of all, we're going to plug that in there. So as you can see, you've got two of the lights there. Pull this one out. It's really simple. It's as simple as literally just pulling it out like that. So now we get our little light, and we're just going to, it doesn't matter what way it is, it's LED, so you know, just gonna stick that in right there. Okay, so once you've stuck them both on, you can then put the cover back on. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see if it works. Jeez. Yeah. Let's check if it works when I open the doors. Oh, that. Okay, now that I've taken that out, it looks like I need to remove this metal casing. You have to remember to make the LEDs face downwards. Time to test if it's working. Perfect. We in the game. Time to do the other one.